And the Rayson Beldium Arturo from the outside, Ace Conveyance, rushing up Elusive Win, Potpot Slab, Ice Palace, Salin Lahi, and entry number 1, Mr. Classmate is the early trailer. Ace Conveyance, Elusive Win, Potpot Slab, Salin Lahi, Ice Palace, Racing P from the outside is Belde Arturo and Mr. Classmate. Passing the half-mile post, Ace Conveyance, Salin Lahi, Potpot Slab, Elusive Win, and Ice Palace is on the outside. Rounding the far turn, it's now Salin Lahi, Ace Conveyance, Elusive Win, Potpot Slab, Ice Palace is racing in P by some 2 lengths, Belde Arturo and Mr. Classmate. As they race the final corner, 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Elusive Win in the middle, Ace Conveyance, Danori inside, Salin Lahi and Potpot Slab on the further outside, rushing up now to grab the lead. It's now Potpot Slab, followed by Elusive Win and Ace Conveyance, and finally the icebreaker, Potpot Slab. Elusive Win, Ace Conveyance, Salin Lahi, Mr. Classmate, Ice Palace, and Belle de Arturo.